Okay, so we're just gonna finish this one here. So I was just down there about a block, but I know that people really like this building a lot, so I guess I feel a little bit obligated to include it since I'm on the street, and I know that somebody will think it's pretty cool, and it is pretty cool, especially the first 100 times you see it. It's like amazing. But I've probably seen go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna film in this spot. It's kind of a cool spot because the lighting is like amazing right now. So you got this cool spot, this cool spot, that kind of spot, and this Bien Otro Marino building too. So we're kind of in a cool little space here. So I just wanted to capture that while we still could. Straight ahead is a Wynn Casino. We're gonna be walking down there in a minute, and you can kind of see the beauty at nighttime, especially that one. Okay, so we're gonna dodge ahead on this red light, follow our navigator, and actually we're gonna go this way. Hotel Riviera. Huh. So Hotel Riviera, it's a landmark here, but I couldn't really tell you which one it was. I guess this one is that one. Maybe. I don't know. I'd have to kind of explore that a little bit more, but actually that's not the goal of this one anyway. So the goal of this one is to walk down these Portuguese tiled streets and kind of just follow the lighting of everything and let you see all the cool stuff. Lukfook jewelry, for example, among other things, right? And then this one is all gold. So they have the price is 1,045, so that's like about that's Hong Kong dollars, so it's about 150 American dollars, maybe 250 American dollars. That big one. That one is maybe about 500 American dollars. Is that big one right there. So this little cat, that's 5,000. That's about 600 American dollars. This one is exactly about $100. So yeah, pretty cool. 48.8. That little dragon right there is 6,000 American dollars. So okay, yep, pretty cool. Let's step back a little bit. So yeah, there's a nice Lukfook, and they have gold and jewelry. New Yofan. That's and we're gonna go straight across here, and then this one they'll sell food. And a lot of times I'll see lines of people, but right now there's not many tourists at all, so. Okay, so kind of Times Square-ish kind of look. I'm just gonna keep on going down. Stairwell. Stores are usually closed, so. Okay, and sometimes some of these buses will take us to all kinds of places. They're doing a lot of construction where the main bus stop is at, so now lots more buses are stopping here and picking up passengers. It's a little bit crowded with buses now. Another gold shop, and jade too. And jade Buddhas and everything. Okay. So we're gonna just conclude here. So yeah, there's our Grand Lisboa, which is basically our destination place anyway. So I could film over here, but I've filmed here so many times. This big, funky looking building. I'm gonna finish this one right here. Okay, so we're just gonna finish this one here. So I was just down there about a block, but I know that people really like this building a lot, so I guess I feel a little bit obligated to include it since I'm on the street, and I know that somebody will think it's pretty cool, and it is pretty cool, especially the first 100 times you see it. It's like amazing. But I probably see this like almost every day, almost. And there's another cool one over there, Casino Lisboa, and then you got this one up there. And then usually people will walk all across to the bus stop and then take a picture. Huh, they're kind of planning this out for when the buses come back. They're doing all this construction here. So we're just gonna walk. No? I guess we'll walk right here and we'll take a picture. Aptly named Avenida de Lisboa. There's the grand shot right there. There you go. And then you got this one over here too, so. And you got this one. So we'll just walk across and film this one too. And then we'll end it right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.